This video shows you how to install your new Ring Spotlight Cam mount. Spotlight Cam mount is designed to be installed in a weatherproof electrical box, 4-inch round or 2x4 rectangular. The ideal install height is 9 feet above the ground. Spotlight Cam mount comes with 3 different weatherproof box covers that act as bases. Choose the one that matches the shape and orientation of your electrical box. When installing onto a vertical wall, you'll usually want the mounting port to face downwards. When installing onto an eave or overhang, face the mounting port in the direction you want the camera to see. Now, let's get started. Hold the weatherproof box cover in the orientation you plan to install it. Feed the wires from the wiring harness through the center hole. Then insert the harness into the cover with the lock-shaped symbols facing up. You'll do the same when mounting on a ceiling or eaves. Next, using the provided nut, secure the wiring harness to the box cover. Now the base is complete, and it's ready to install. The next steps involve electrical wiring, so be sure to turn off power to the electrical box at the breaker before you continue. If you're not sure which breaker supplies power to this box, you can turn off the master breaker for your home or get help from a licensed electrician. If you're replacing an existing floodlight or security camera, uninstall it from the electrical box and disconnect the wires. If your existing light or camera used a mounting bracket, remove that from the electrical box as well. Now hang the Spotlight Cam weatherproof box cover from your electrical box using the included hook. Next, pair the black wire from your electrical box with the black wire coming from your Spotlight Cam wiring harness and secure the connection with one of the included wire nuts. Do the same for the white wires. To use a wire nut, first ensure that the wire ends that you want to connect are straight, then align the ends side by side. Finally, feed the wires into the wire nut and twist clockwise until tightly screwed. The red wire is used as a switched power source to control other lights. For more information, see our video, How to Control Lights with Spotlight Cam Mount. If you don't plan to control other lights with Spotlight Cam, we recommend that you securely cap the red wire with a small wire nut. Now use the included mounting screws to attach the weatherproof box cover to your electrical box. We include a variety of screws to fit most electrical boxes. Once that's done, insert your Spotlight Cam into the weatherproof box cover. Once it's fully seated, turn it to the right until it locks into place. Finally, insert the security screw into the weatherproof box cover like so, and tighten to lock in your Spotlight Cam. Now it's time to turn power back on at the breaker. If your Spotlight Cam lights up, it's ready to set up in the Ring app. If not, turn power off at the breaker and check your connections. If you need additional help, you can chat with our support team 24/7 at ring.com. With Ring, you're always home.